He answered correctly. He answered correctly. She replied intensely. She replied intensely. I jog every day. I jog every day. He snores loudly. He snores loudly. They skipped class. They skipped class. She draws portraits. She draws portraits. He counted to 10. He counted to 10. She remembers everything. She remembers everything. I forgot her name. I forgot her name. He decided quickly. He decided quickly. She wished for luck. She wished for luck. We plan a trip. We plan a trip. I hope for peace. I hope for peace. He complains daily. He complains daily. They argued loudly. They argued loudly. She yelled at him. She yelled at him. I smelled flowers. I smelled flowers. He tasted the soup. He tasted the soup. She baked cookies. She baked cookies. I fried the fish. I fried the fish. He chopped onions. He chopped onions. She boiled the eggs. She boiled the eggs. I dried my hands. I dried my hands. He washed the car. He washed the car. He brushed his hair. He brushed his hair. She typed fast. She typed fast. I text my friend. I text my friend. He called his mom. He called his mom. She invited me. She invited me. We met yesterday. We met yesterday. I travel often. I travel often. She shook my hand. She shook my hand. He searched the room. He searched the room. He dug a hole. He dug a hole. I lost my key. I lost my key. She climbed the ladder. She climbed the ladder. He won the race. He won the race. She spent her money. She spent her money. He saved the life. He saved the life. They help each other. They help each other. She frowned sadly. She frowned sadly. He smiled at her. He smiled at her. She closed the window. She closed the window. He opened the box. He opened the box. She whispered a secret. She whispered a secret. She talks a lot. She talks a lot. He shouted for help. He shouted for help. He listens carefully. He listens carefully. They watched a movie. They watched a movie. I learned quickly. I learned quickly. He sold his bike. He sold his bike. She teaches math. She teaches math. I brought a gift. I brought a gift. She pushed the door. She pushed the door. They clapped loudly. They clapped loudly. He pulled the rope. He pulled the rope. He waved goodbye. He waved goodbye. She hugged her friend. She hugged her friend. He kicked the ball hard. He kicked the ball hard. He caught the ball. He caught the ball. I threw the paper. I threw the paper. She painted the wall. She painted the wall. He walks to school. He walks to school. Kids play in the park. Kids play in the park. We danced all night. We danced all night. She swims in the lake. She swims in the lake. They sing together. They sing together. The cat sleeps peacefully. The cat sleeps peacefully. She fixed the radio. She fixed the radio. He built a tree house. He built a tree house. I draw cartoons. I draw cartoons. The baby cried. The baby cried. They laugh loudly. They laugh loudly. He cleans the kitchen. He cleans the kitchen. She cooks delicious meals. She cooks delicious meals. They laugh together. They laugh together. The dog bite me. The dog bite me. I chewed slowly. I chewed slowly. She blinked twice. She blinked twice. He glanced quickly. He glanced quickly. She pointed north. She pointed north. He threw the stick. He threw the stick. The cat scratched me. The cat scratched me. He hid behind the curtains. He hid behind the curtains. I lifted the box. I lifted the box. He bent the wire. He bent the wire. She carried the baby. She carried the baby. I asked a question. I asked a question. The plant grew tall. The plant grew tall. She told the truth. She told the truth. They prayed together. They prayed together.